What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV video, and today you join me inside the 8V Audi S3, so the previous generation, but this one is the facelift, so it's the 8V2. Now, big thanks to the owner for bringing the car out here for me to record, and he's developed this very cool app for car enthusiasts where you can host car events. So you basically stack up car events. You can RSVP on the app. You can also use it for lap times and stuff like 0 to 100 measures, quarter miles, that kind of jazz. So do check it out. I'll link it also down in the description below. It's available on the App Store. It's available on the Google Play Store as well. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the 8V generation, this car is very interesting for me. Why? Because I feel like the newer one doesn't have much to offer over this one. Currently driving in dynamic. Let's go manual. And man, let me tell you, this thing is very, very strong. So let's talk performance and engine. So underneath the hood is the familiar 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, in this case making about 228 kilowatts and around 400 Newton meters of torque. It's all-wheel drive, quattro all-wheel drive, Haldex system, mated to the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. So it's pretty much the same setup that you get in the Mark 7.5 Golf R. And yeah, I think most of the details I'll just leave them off for the main review video, which should be coming after this POV drive. And then just up ahead, I'll try a little launch control for you guys. So right here, so the traction control, you put it in its dynamic setting. I'll go auto for the gearbox, but put it in sport. Driving mode is in dynamic, and you're pretty much good to go. Let's try launch control. As you can see, it's still a very, very strong car, and it launches so hard actually. So this is actually a pre-OPF car, so it doesn't have the gas particulate filter. And you can tell that by the sound mainly. It sounds so insane. But yeah, that's where I'll leave it off for this POV video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, that's cheers from me.